Hello दोस्तों, welcome to Tech YouTube channel. This video discussed about by AutoGPT and Ollama the ultimate guide. So let's start my video. What if you could harness the power of cutting edge AI without compromising data privacy or relying on cloud-based services? AutoGPT and Ollama offer precisely that, bringing together autonomy and local deployment to redefine how businesses and developers use artificial intelligence. These tools empower organizations to securely and efficiently deploy large language models (LLMs), enhancing productivity and customization like never before. The silent revolution in AI development. The story of AutoGPT and Ollama isn't just about technology; it's about independence. Will take giant battle cloud supremacy. A quiet revolution is brewing on local machines. Worldwide developers are breaking free from the chains of cloud dependencies, and the results are nothing short of extraordinary. Beyond the marketing hype, what makes these tools revolutionary? Let's cut through the noise. AutoGPT and Ollama aren't just another set of AI tools. They represent a fundamental shift in how we approach artificial intelligence. They are the difference between renting access to AI and owning it outright. AutoGPT, the autonomous agent revolution. Imagine having a senior developer who never sleeps or takes breaks. Minimal supervision. That's AutoGPT. You and can execute complex tasks W in like traditional AI tools that respond to prompt. AutoGPT thinks strategically, plans systematically, and executes autonomous real world impact beyond the buzzwords. Consider this: financial services firms recently deployed AutoGPT to analyze market trends while their competitors relied on teams of analysts working around the clock. AutoGPT processed the same volume of data in hours, identifying patterns human analysts had missed for years. The result: a 300% increase in trading accuracy and millions in saved cost. Ollama redefining local AI infrastructure. Ollama represents more than just another tool for running AI models locally. It embodies a fundamental pyramid. This shift in how we approach AI deployment by bringing powerful language models like Llama to Mistral and others directly to your machine. Ollama dismantles the traditional barriers that have long plagued cloud-based AI solutions. Prohibit cost, frustrating latency, and pressing privacy concerns. This shift is just about technology. It's about giving power back to developers and organizations who have been constrained by the limitations of cloud services. The technical edge that changes everything. The revolutionary nature of Ollama lies in its sophisticated approach to model management and executed at its core. The platform offers an unprecedented level of control over AI models deployment. Unlike traditional cloud-based solutions where switching between models often requires navigating complex APIs and managing multiple subscriptions, Ollama provides a seamless experience that feels almost magical in its simplicity. Developers can transition between different AI models with the same ease as switching between applications on their desktop. The platform's approach to model customization sets a new standard in the industry, rather than being confined to pre-built models with fixed parameters. Users can fine tune their AI models to match specific use cases. This level of customization was previously available only to tech giant with massive resources, but Ollama democratized this capability, making it accessible to organizations of all sizes. The system's intelligent Resources management ensures that these powerful capabilities don't come at the cost of system performance, automatically optimizing resource allocation based on your specific hardware configuration and workload demands. Perhaps most importantly, Olama's local execution architecture fundamentally transforms how organizations can implement AI capabilities. The eliminations of network latency means that applications respond, creating possibilities for real-time AI applications that were previously impractical. This local execution model also provides an unprecedented level of data privacy and security, as sensitive information never leaves your infrastructure. Organizations maintain complete control over their AI models behavior and can update or modify them according to their specific needs without depending on external providers or navigating complex cloud service agreements. Aggregation integration strategies that transform workflows. The true power emerges when AutoGPT and Ollama work together. Here's how leading organizations are leveraging this combination. Development and testing. Modern software development demands rapid integration and testing. The AutoGPT Ollama combination enables automated code review and optimization, real-time bug detection and fixing, continuous integration testing with AI assistants, data analysis and processing. Financial institutions are particularly benefiting from real-time market data analysis, assessment, automation, compliance checking and reporting, content creation and management. Media companies are revolutionizing their workflows, thought automated content generation and optimization, multi-language translation and localization, content strategy analysis and planning, implementation guide from theory to practice. Success this with AutoGPT and Ollama requires a thoughtful, strategic approach that goes well beyond simple installation. The journey from initial setup to full implementation represents a transformation in how organizations approach AI development, and each step builds upon the last to create a robust, efficient system. Phase 1: Initial setup and configuration. The foundation of any successful AutoGPT and Ollama implementation begins with a careful hardware preparation. Organizations must fair conduct a thought assessment of their existing infrastructure, understanding not just the basic specification but how their systems will handle the unique demands of local AI processing. This isn't simply about meeting minimum requirements, it's about creating an environment where AI can thrive. Experience has shown that proper hardware optimization can mean the difference between a system that merely functions and one that excels. Organizations that take the time to configure their GPU acceleration and optimize their system resources properly often see performance improvements of up to 300% compared to default configurations. This careful attention to hardware setup pays a dividend throughout the entire implementation process. The software installation process requires equal attention to detail beyond the basic installation of dependencies. Successful organizations take time to understand how different configurations impact their specific use cases. This means carefully considering how Ollama will be deployed across their infrastructure and how AutoGPT will be configured to match their unique requirements. The goal is just to get the software running, creating a foundation for long term success. Phase 2: Integration and optimization. The true power of automation, AutoGPT and Ollama emerges during the integration phase, where theoretical capabilities transform into practical solutions. This process begins with a deep analysis of existing workflows, identifying not just obvious automation opportunities but also understanding how AI can enhance and transform current processes. Organizations that excel in this path take time to map out their entire operational flow, understanding how AI can augment human capabilities rather than replace existing tools. Performance optimization becomes an ongoing journey rather than a destination. Successful implementations require continuous monitoring and adjustment with organizations developing sophisticated approaches to resource utilization and model selection. This instead about making oceanist tweaks, it's about creating a dynamic system that involves with your organization's need. Advanced usage scenarios in practice. The implementation of AutoGPT and Ollama in enterprise environments presents unique challenges and opportunities that demand careful consideration. Large organizations must navigate complex security requirements while maintaining the agility needed for effective AI deployment. This begins with a comprehensive security protocol integration that goes beyond basic safeguards, incorporating advanced encryption, access control, and compliance measures that meet industry's standards while enabling innovation. These tools have particularly transformed the DevOps landscape. Modern development teams are discovering that combining AutoGPT and Ollama can revolutionize the approach to code review and security analysis rather than treating this as a separate process. Leading organizations are creating integrated workflows where AI constantly monitors and improves code quality, identifies potential security vulnerabilities, and generate documentation in real time. This proactive approach has led to remarkable improvements in code quality and significant reductions in security incidents. The impact on research and academic institutions has been equally profound. These organizations use AutoGPT and Ollama to transform their approach to data analysis and research methodology. The ability to process vast amounts of data locally while maintaining complete control over the analysis process has opened new possibilities in fields ranging from genomics to climate science. Researchers can now conduct complex analysis and generate comprehensive and literature reviews in a fraction of the time previously required, accelerating the pace of scientific discovery. Mastering common challenges. The management of computational resources represents one of the most critical challenges in implementing AutoGPT and Ollama effectively. Organizations must develop a sophisticated approaches to resource allocation that go beyond simple task scheduling. This involves creating dynamic systems that can adjust to changing workloads, efficiently manage memory usage, and optimize model switching based on real-time demands. The most successful implementations treat resource management as an integral part of their AI strategy, not just a technical consideration. Security in the age of local AI processing requires a fundamentally different approach from traditional cybersecurity measures. Organizations must develop comprehensive security frameworks that protect their AI systems while maintaining the flexibility needed for innovation. This includes implementing sophisticated encryption protocols, creating detailed audits trails, and ensuring compliance with evolving data protection regulations. The goal is to create a secure environment that enables rather than restricts the powerful capabilities of these AI tools. practical applications, and future possibilities. The true power of AutoGPT and Ollama becomes evident when we examine their practical applications in real world scenarios rather than speculating about future possibilities. Let's explore how organizations and developers are currently leveraging these tools to solve complex challenges and create innovative solutions, transforming software development. One of the most compelling applications emerges in the realm of software development. Is consider how a team of developers at a mid-sized tech company revolutionized their code review process using AutoGPT and Ollama by implementing automated code analysis. They reduce their review time from days to hours, while simultaneously increasing the quality of their code base. The system not only identifies potential bugs but suggests optimizations and improvements, effectively acting as an additional senior developer on the team, revolutionizing content creation and management. Content creators and marketing teams have discovered possibilities with these tools. A digital marketing agency recently implemented a system where AutoGPT powered by Olama's local processing manages their entire content pipeline. The system analyzes market trends, generates initial drafts, and even updates adopts content for different platforms while maintaining brand voice consistency. What's particularly remarkable is how the system learns and improves from feedback, continually refining its understanding of the brand's unique style and requirements, accelerating scientific research. The scientific community has found particularly innovative ways to leverage these tools. A research laboratory specializing in genomics developed a custom implementation that processed vast amounts of genetic data locally, identifying patterns and potential breakthroughs that would take human researchers months to discover. The ability to maintain data privacy while processing sensitive information has made this approach particularly valuable in medical research. Enhancing educational tools. Educational institutions are using these tools to create personalized learning experiences at scale. A university recently developed a system that generates a custom practice based on individual student performance, adapts explanations to match learning style, and provides instant detailed feedback. This level of personalization, previously possible with traditional methods, has led to significant improvements in student engagement and understanding. So friends, my topic is complete. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye.